Hello my dear students, welcome to Learning Chemistry is Easy and Fun. Back to lesson number 2. Are we ready for lesson number 2? Before we go on to that, I want to check your understanding of Werner's theory. So here's a small challenge that I am giving you and trying to make you think in the way he thought, right? In the way he reasoned. And that's like developing scientific attitude, right? So I've listed 4 compounds over here of cobalt, COCl3.4NH3, COCl3.5NH3, COCl3.6NH3 and a complex involving water molecule as well, COCl3.5NH3.H2O. These are the experimental observations which have been listed for you. So let's suppose Werner has done the experiment and he has listed the observations. Observation, the first column gives you the number of ions given by per formula unit. This is measured from the conductivity measurement. So we notice that as we go down, the conductivity actually increases, indicating that the number of ions in the solution has increased. So from conductivity measurements, we know that the first solution contains 2 ions, the second contains 3 ions, third 4 ions, that means 4 ions for one formula unit, for one molecule, and the fourth one again 4. The number of chloride ions precipitated when we add silver nitrate. In the first one we get only 1 chloride. In the second we get 2. In the third we get 3. In the fourth we get again 3. Now based on these observations, what do you think is the formula, the correct formula of these 4 compounds? Also, after writing the correct formula, can you give me the primary valency and the secondary valency of each of these cobalt in each of these compounds? I give you want one hint over here? Should I do one for you? So let's suppose I have COCl3.4NH3. It's telling me that there are only 2 ions and out of which one is chloride. So definitely my chloride comes out of the square brackets, right? There we go. Now what are we left with is CO. Out of the 3 chlorine, I am left with only 2 chlorine because one is in the ionizable form, so it stays out. What else are we left with? So we have NH3 whole 4. Right? Now, so that means what is the primary valency, what is the secondary valency? Don't jump to the conclusion saying that the primary valency is +1, because +1 is the oxidation state of this whole ion and -1 is the oxidation state of chlorine. What is the oxidation state of cobalt over here? Try to recall from your knowledge of oxidation numbers. If you are not sure about oxidation numbers, please visit the video on oxidation numbers because even that is there in your syllabus. So the primary valency gives us the oxidation number. What about the secondary valency? Secondary valency is based on the number of ligands which are attached to cobalt. So how many ligands are connected over here? 4 and 2. Yes, 6. So approximate shape, so you can get an idea about the shape, it should be octahedral, right? If you've not understood from this hint, because I've almost solved the first one for you, try doing the second, third and fourth using the same logic. See how many chloride are being released or precipitated. If it is 2 chloride ions precipitated per molecule, that means this Cl will now become 2. So therefore the number of chlorine atoms actually reduces in the formula. I would like to see your answers in the comment section and let me know how you did, right?